How to upscale video quality. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to upscale your video quality, one free and one paid but much more powerful. Now, let's dive right in. Method 1. Using Vmake AI. This is an online and completely free option. Go to vmake.ai, then choose Video and Image Enhancer under AI Tools. Upload your video, the system will automatically process it for you. You can also choose the model that best suits your video. Once the processing is done, you can download your video. But only the first 5 seconds are available for free. So, if you want to use it completely for free, you'll need to trim your video into clips shorter than 5 seconds. This can be a bit tedious, so if you want a faster and easier solution, I recommend using HitPaw VikPea. It's a paid tool, but the output quality is much clearer and sharper. First, download and install HitPaw VikPea, then launch it and import your video. Select the enhanced model that best suits your video. Then export. And that's the comparison of the results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.